Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need compatible hardware and power before you begin. First, verify the AirPods model matches the spare case type. Mismatched generations sometimes fit but may not pair. Once charged to about 20% and with your phone unlocked and Bluetooth active, open the case lid close to the device. Press and hold the case setup button if pairing doesn't auto-appear. Do this now so the device discovers the AirPods and you can proceed to configuration without delays. Once the pairing card doesn't show, reset the AirPods to clear prior connections. To reset, put both stems in the spare case, close then open the lid, press and hold the setup button for about 15 to 20 seconds until the LED pulses amber then white. After that, return the case near your device. Select the AirPods name from Bluetooth or the setup card. Make sure to grant any prompts for features like Find My, because those enable automatic reconnection and firmware updates. You're almost done. Test audio, phone calls, and tap controls to confirm full function. If sound is low or a mic fails, place the AirPods in the spare case and leave them charging to allow any pending firmware update to install. This often resolves odd behavior. If that doesn't help, reset again, gently clean case and AirPod contacts, and try pairing with a different device to isolate whether the case or the AirPods are at fault. This step usually fixes remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.